Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The Ribimex PE12V electric winch is an efficient solution for hauling and lifting operations in marine, industrial, and forestry applications. Powered by a standard 12-volt car battery, this device delivers 300 watts of power, ensuring high performance and reliability even in demanding conditions. The 5-meter electric cable, equipped with a water-resistant plug and circuit breaker, provides a safe and secure connection. The winch's robustness is evidenced by its braided steel cable and pulley, designed to handle static loads up to 900 kilograms and wheeled loads up to 5,000 kilograms. The remote control with a watertight plug and the emergency hand crank with adjustable clutch offer precise and safe control in any situation. The included trailer installation kit facilitates the integration of the winch onto various types of vehicles. The cable winding is performed using the supplied remote control, while the release is manual. This combination ensures efficient and intuitive operation. In summary, the Ribimex PE12V electric winch is an ideal choice for those who require a powerful, reliable, and easy-to-use tool. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.